Hello everyone, welcome to Spateria here. Windows always has been a great environment for multitasking. With the ability to run several applications at once and swing them with relative ease. In Windows 10, Microsoft tightened up the snapping mechanism and expanded its functionality. Now I will show how to split the screen for multitasking using Windows 10 snapping. Let's start it. First, click Start Windows and click Settings. Click System. Scroll down and select the menu Multitasking. Click in and now you can multitasking using Windows 10. For example, open any Windows application on your computer. Drag these windows on opposite side. Hold and drop when a transparent window is seen. Select the other one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe Spateria channel. Thanks for watching.